its current states, you may. I'll be here to answer any questions that you might have as well. So here comes the banana leaf, tea leaves, and then the hot rocks. He's like, oh, I'll just stand here. And oh, they like the big one, yeah? Oh, that was a big piece. The chickens will eat that one. Hottest one. Got him. How about a hand for the guys here? Okay, now as I said, the pig's not going to look like this when you go up there to the dinner line tonight. But if you want to take pictures when we're done here, you may. Kind of gross, but you may. I'll be here to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks for joining our family's luau here tonight. Thanks for learning how we cook the pig Hawaiian style. It is now time for cocktails, so head on in.